All right, guys, getting back on the Duramax, swapped Yukon 2500. Finally at the point of getting the motor back in the frame. So obviously, the lift, making it nice and easy to get it up in the air. But we got the LBZ sitting here on the cherry picker. And my plan is just to lift the motor up, slide the frame right under and get it bolted down. So should be pretty straightforward. A lot of weight for a little Harbor Freight. Was it a 2-ton? So we'll see. More to come here. All right, so one thing I wanted to call out here is we did swap out the front axle from the 410 to the 373. Obviously having the body up in the air, super easy just to swap this front axle out and get it switched over. So got the bolts all removed, everything cleaned up, and let's get this motor back in the truck. All right, so you can see I kind of switched methods here and started using the car lift to lift the entire engine, trans, and transfer case up because the engine hoist was not able to get high enough or deep enough back in order to get the bolts to bolt down into the frame. So used 4 straps and some chains at 4 corners, picked up the entire thing, and then I was able to slide the frame back underneath and get it where it needed to go. So a little different, but ended up working out this way. All right, she's in, boys. Finally back in the frame. Looking good. All right, quick update. Got the motor bolted in. Factory AC Delco mounts. I did end up using the transmission cross member from the Yukon. Now this one had the 8.1 with the 4L85E. So I'm not sure if that's any different than the ones with the 6.0 4L80. But all I had to do is re-drill 2 holes on each side about 1.5 inches further back. And then this bracket right here, which holds the shift linkage, all I have to do is notch slightly on the front side of the support for the transmission. I really don't think it's going to affect the strength of that at all. There's plenty of anchoring on all 4 sides, and it's a pretty thick steel. So, got the exhaust kind of mocked up. I am running a factory LB7 exhaust for now. Definitely going to upgrade to a 4-inch, but for now, this is what we have to work with. So really happy the way it turned out. Everything's bolted in nice and tight. Next we'll be swapping the rear axle so we can get moving on, a drive shaft.